How can I get an attached EML file from email message content using Python? I am using Python 3.7 and the email IMAP library to read email and extract the content of email and attachments. All the attachment, like Excel, CSV, PDF, is downloading as attachment, but when I received any .eml file in email, it shows me error. Please find the below code to read email content and attachment with error showing in case of EML file is received as attachment. It is showing error at the time of writing EML file. At the time of write part.get_payload, decode equals true is coming blank in EML file case. Error is use EML_parser. This URL